Hi friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve your Google Meet app. To know how to fix or how to solve your Google Meet, you should just go to settings. After that we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then in this list you will enter to the window of Google Meet and you will enter. After that, in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. After that we click clear cache. Then you will enter to you will click on your airplane mode and you can turn off your airplane mode again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.